here this morning to put together a short instructional video on how to install your auto plug on your shotgun. First of all, you want to make sure to remove the factory plug out of your gun. You'll then replace it with the auto plug, install it, and turn the plug all the way down to the bottom. What you want to do is make sure and turn the plug all the way in until it bottoms out, and once it's installed all the way in, you turn it in the opposite direction till you feel a positive interaction between the plug and the detent. You'll also see that the portholes on the auto plug will now be at the 10 and 2 position. Now you're ready for test firing. Our baseline ammunition this morning will be Remington 7.5 shot. This is the cheapest ammo we could find at Walmart. It sells for about $21.59 for 100 rounds. Alright, we've seen that the gas plug is under-gassing the shell and we're having stovepipes. Now the way to finally tune the auto plug to your specific gun, what you want to do is take a flathead screwdriver and turn this in a clockwise position a half a turn in. And repeat the test. You'll notice the same thing happened on the second test. So what we're going to do is turn our gas plug another half turn tighter. This would put some more pressure on the valve, causing the valve to open slower, hence gassing the gun better. Although the gun is firing better now, we still find that we have every third or fourth shot hang up. That is still not the optimum gassing position. What you want to go ahead and do is tie it another half turn until you have the gun firing flawlessly. Once you have the auto plug tuned to your specific shotgun, you should have no problem firing without any failures to eject. Alright, now once we've tuned in our auto plug to our shotguns, now what I can do is go ahead and put a mixture of ammo, high, low brass, slugs and buckshot in it. What we have some Remington rifled slugs, some Federal buckshot, some more of our Remington 7.5, and some cellular and Ballard buckshot, double-aught buck. So what we're just going to do is we'll put one of each in it, make it nice and interesting so we won't know when what is coming. Put a slug in there, some more of this buckshot. There we go.